of Wordle. Many of you may have heard of it or even played it. Wordle is not just a game, it can also help us improve our vocabulary and thinking skill. Is a fun and engaging way. So, what is exactly is a Wordle? Wordle is a word puzzle game that challenge players to guess a secret five-letter word. You have six chances to guess the word correctly. After each guess, the game gives you feedback using color. If the letter is in the correct position, it turns green. If the letter is in the word but in the wrong position, it turns yellow. If the letter is not in the word at all, it turns gray. This feedback helps you make better guesses as you play. One of the best thing about Wordle is simplicity. You don't need to download anything special or pay to play. You can just go to the website and start playing right away. This makes it accessible to everyone, whether you are a student, a teacher, or someone who just enjoy word games. Playing Wordle can be a great way to improve your language skill. As you play, you will encounter new words and learn how to spell them. This can help expand your vocabulary, which is important for both and writing, speaking. And the more you know, the more better you can express yourself. Additionally, Wordle encourages critical thinking. You have to think carefully about each guess and use the feedback to make to make smarter choice. This kind of thinking is useful not just in game, but in everyday life as well. It teaches us to analyze information and make decisions based on what we know. Another fun aspect of Wordle is the social interaction it creates. After playing, many people like to share their result with friends and family. You can show them how many guesses it took you to find the word without revealing the word itself. This adds a friendly competition element, and as everyone tries to guess the word in fewer attempts, it's a great way to connect with authors and have fun together, even if you are playing from a different place. Moreover, Wordle can be a great way to take a break from your daily routine. It's just a few minutes. You can challenge yourself and enjoy a little mental exercise. It's a perfect activity to do during a coffee break or while waiting for an appointment. And in addition to the original Wordle, there are many variations of the game available now. Some versions allow you to guess words in different language, while others have different wordage or themes. This variety keeps the game fresh and exciting, allowing players to explore new challenges. Wordle has also sparked a community of players who share tips and strategies online. Many people discuss their favorite word to start with or how they approach the game. And this sense of community can make playing even more enjoyable, as you can learn from others and share your own experience. Furthermore, Wordle can be a great tool for educators. Teachers can use it in the classroom to engage students in vocabulary building and spelling practice. It can be a fun way to introduce new words and encourage students to think critically about language. And last, in conclusion, Wordle is more than just a game. It's a fun way to learn and improve our language skill and while enjoying some friendly conversation. I encourage all of you to give it a try if you haven't already. It is a simple game that can bring a lot of joy and learning into your life and learning into life. Okay? Thank you for listening and I hope you all have a wonderful day filled with fun and learning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.